Hey guys, what's up? And it is Serge back for another video, and I think I'm gonna get rid of those non-personalized intros, like montages, so I'm gonna make it more personal, more updated. So make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram at Serge Galata, and I always post updates there, as well as my Twitter, Galata Serge, GOLOTASERGE. So these are gonna be kind of limited to a minute, and I'm gonna try and keep these under a minute. But anyways, make sure you guys go like, share, comment, and subscribe this video if you enjoy it. And yeah, and I'll see you guys in the video.
Apparently we're about to have a fantastic fucking burger. Some fucking magazine.
How'd you find out about it?
Through a guy. I know a guy. Apparently this place is fire. We're gonna try a couple burgers, a couple little side dishes. The mac and cheese is supposed to be absolutely divine. We're gonna do that as well.
Is this place popular?
It's getting there. I don't really know how popular it is because I haven't seen anybody actually go here.
A fucking special guest.
Daniel Bro.
Everyone, round of applause.
You're not really a foodie.
I like restaurants.
You like restaurants.
Does that count?
Yeah. I like restaurants, but like, you're gonna be able to tell us, as just like a general person, is this good, is this not good? That's what we want to hear.
He's like, yo, and I'll eat the food too, no worries.
A third opinion, because you guys are just gonna be like, oh, hype up.
Well, of course we're gonna. Well, we're hyped up. We're not just hyped up for the burger. We're hyped up for the entire fucking experience, right? Mm-hmm. So I mean, you got to tell us straight up, how's the food? Yes or no? Because there's been spots people have taken us and they're like,
yo, this is fire, and then it turns out to be garbage.
And I'm like, this is mids, right? And garbage, fine. And it never turns out to be like that.
We just got our food right here. This is the Little Bad Wolf burger, right? Or the Little Bad, what is it? He's already diving in. But this is the chili aioli right here. These are hand-cut fries. And then on the wolf burger, that's what it's called. There's an egg right here with scallions on it. And then there's 3 patties, and then kind of thickish bacon, and then caramelized or strawed onions right here. So let's try this out. Chili fry, yeah.
I was surprised.
Dude, it's amazing.
I'm
gonna try some
real quick.
And Freeman right here. You got the mac and cheese. So we're gonna try some mac and cheese right now.
Probably mac and cheese.
So here's the mac and cheese right here.
Damn, bro, I got this burger all over my hand.
Huh?
Dude, lucky man.
Whoa.
All right, now we're gonna try the Little Bad Wolf burger. So,
damn, I should have got that.
All right, so now we're gonna try.
You got most of it.
The
Dab it in water.
Little Bad Wolf burger. Dude, you good? This is the Little Bad Wolf burger. Look at this thing.
That is ridiculous.
Fucking gigantic. All right, let's try it out. Dude, it's so
juicy.
The onion is so sweet, and then once you go like, dude, I think like, do I have like fucking cheese?
Oh yeah, you know what? At this point, let it happen.
Yeah. So, right there, we have lots of meat inside, pork, and all the good stuff, but the pickles at the bottom.
And you got to put pickles on a burger. You need to.
I agree. The reason why I think this burger is very special is because of those onions. They can't even talk. Fuck.
Yeah.
The onions definitely make the burger. That's what it is. Make it like a little bit sweet. Should we try the elote?
Let's bring the elote over.
This is what we also got. It's some elote right here. And look at those fucking fried peppers, right? Oh, is that limes? I don't know what that is.
It's some it's fried avocado.
Oh. Beer battered avocado. Okay. We're gonna try it out.
Cut those avocados somehow, some way.
Wow. That's really flavorful.
So the avocado is beer battered.
Yeah.
That means it's, yeah, but whatever.
The avocado really makes this thing.
Whoa. So fried avocado. That's what happens when California comes to the Midwest.
That's good.
Beer batter.
Now we're gonna try this bao. This pork bao that's from this restaurant. That's huge too. Look at that. There's lots of food in there. Carrots and is this onions?
I think so. Whoa.
He keeps on saying whoa. Whoa. Ready
Check
for
out my
this?
brother's new song. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
He was in a couple of videos.
Yeah. Whoa.
In the really hot wings video.
Saucy
The pork
bites.
is the pork is crispy, and the little vegetables didn't really help much.
I mean,
That was all sauce. So I'd say this burger for me was like a 9.5 out of 10.
Really?
Really. This, dude, the onions made it so much better. And like I'm saying that the onions helped it out. And then the thickness too, that really made it interesting. And there's like some sort of like garlic aioli at the bottom of the pickles. So that was good. What would you give it?
So, I'm conflicted. So, the meat itself, well, the ingredients themselves are just fucking terrific. All on point, right? I'm simple. I like simple burgers. You know, you saw I was very conflicted. I thought just the bad burger first because the bad burger didn't have all the onions and the egg. And it's not to say the onions and the egg are bad, but I'm a simple man. I like the simple things in life. You know, I like to keep it OG. So I do like simple burgers. This is a very extravagant burger, but nonetheless, it was very good.
What's the rating? Drum roll? Drum roll?
I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
Oh, wow.
7 out of 10. And really, it was just the whole. It's a lot. I'm a firm believer in less is more. This was a lot more.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment,
Wait,
and
real quick,
subscribe.
real quick. Should we judge the side dishes real quick? I'll give those both a 10 out of 10 real quick. Right.
Yeah, those are easy. The mac and cheese was better than the fries, but the chili aioli is definitely something that you want.
The sauce is boss.
Sauce is boss. Anyways, like this video, share with your friends. See you guys soon. Signing off, it's Billionaires Burgers.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
Hi, my
Drop shit on
name
my
is
face.
Brittany, and I'm a basic.
Yeah.
How bad?
Pretty bad.